I especially greet you. Welcome to another video series, and in this video I am here to teach you how to use Gainers coin on Bybit, okay, in combination with indicators like RSI indicators, moving average MA indicators, and exponential moving average EMA indicators to take short trade decision. Let me say that again. How to use Gainer coin, okay, in combination with your RSI indicators, which is relative strength index, as well as your MA indicator, moving average, and also your EMA indicator, which is exponential moving average, to take a trading decision. This time around, we want to take a short or sell trade decision. Okay, how do you go about this? Okay, number one thing is you are to first of all identify a gainer coin. Okay, like in the case of this one now, as you can see right here, these are gainer under gainer on Bybit, and several of these coins, they are current coin that are under gainers. That is, they are doing very well. And among all of these coin, Alpaca is the highest gainer coin at the moment. As at the time I'm doing this video, as you can see, is the one that has 57+% increase. Okay, what does this actually means? The meaning of this is that Alpaca is actually doing very well. So anybody that enter this trade in form of buy at this point, you will have been massive profit wherever it is now. So you'll have earned all the way from down to up, and you'll have been massive profit. So that is what brings about this 58+%. Okay, so now I haven't noticed that it is now in 58 percentage profit. How do you know when it is the right time for you to sell? Number one thing to note is this: you have to come to 1 hour time frame, change your time frame to 1 hour time frame. Okay, once you change your time to 1 hour time frame, identify the position of RSI 14. Okay, what number is your RSI 14? This one is currently giving us 82%. 82. So it's giving us 82. So this 82 indicates that this current coin is at the point of overbought region. They have been buying this particular coin all the way here, and it has gotten to this position, and the current position for this buying of this coin is now at where? 82. That is the meaning of that RSI 14 number, 82. So it has gotten to overbought region. So what that shows is that anything from 80 and above is a good position for you to place a sell trade, because whenever a coin is in overbought region, okay, such a coin has to reverse before more buyers can also put in their investment. So that is a rule that always exists in trading. Okay, so that's the first thing. Check your RSI 14 and check if the value you have is 80 and above. Okay, so I haven't confirmed that. So the next thing you need to do is also to check your EMA and MA position. So this time around, change your time frame to 1 minute time frame. Change your time frame to 1 minute time frame. Okay, as you can see, my MA and EMA, here is my MA indicator, and here is my EMA indicator. Make sure you on the two of them. Okay, so now if I off my EMA indicator, so the one that is showing on the chart right now is my MA indicator, and if I on my EMA indicator, is a combination of both MA and EMA indicator that is displaying on the chart right now. And if I also off my MA indicator, this is the EMA indicator that is showing on the chart right now. So I just on the two of them. And there is another thing I want you to note. Okay, let me off my EMA. We have MA 50, we have MA 100, and we have MA 200. There is a video in this particular channel that will teach you how to set your MA and EMA. Locate the video and watch to do your setting. Okay, so my MA 50 is the yellow color. This yellow color is my MA 50, and my MA 100 is the blue color, and this purple is for MA 200. So in other words, when it comes to EMA, my blue color is my EMA 50, as you can see here, while my yellow is my EMA 100, and this particular one purple is my EMA 200. Okay, now that I've established that, so one thing I want you to quickly note right now is that you have to own the two of them and identify the position of your EMA and MA. But this time around, the first thing I want you to concentrate on is your EMA and MA 200. EMA and MA 200. So identify this position. Okay, your position for MA 200 and EMA 200 right here, and identify which one is up and which one is down. You can see now is crossing each other, as you can see. So the two indicator is crossing each other. So the first thing you need to identify is which one is up, which one is down. So I'm going to switch off my EMA and I will on it again. Please put your eyes on that EMA and MA 200 that I told you. As I'm offing my EMA and owning it, identify which one is up and which one is down. As you can see, my MA is the one on top and my EMA is the one below. My MA is the one on top and my EMA is the one below. The meaning of this in using EMA and MA indicator to analyze the direction of the market is that whenever EMA is down and my MA is up, the meaning of that is that you are currently in downtrend. As you can see, even the trading is walking towards that direction. You can see the movement is coming towards the downtrend. Okay, so when you notice such a cross, is a sign that there is going to be a reversal. Okay, there's going to be a reversal. So that is the second sign that you are actually good to go to place your sell trade. The earlier you enter, the better chance of earning more. Okay, so I haven't verified the first one, ensuring that your RSI in 1 hour time frame is in 80 and above, and this particular EMA and MA indicator is also crossing each other when you have it as 200 EMA and your EMA is the one that is down while your MA is the one that is up. So that's another second confirmation that it is a good time to sell. When you place such a trade, you click on sell trade, you click on shorts, right here. Okay, when you click on short right here, okay, so it will take you to the next interface. You put the value of your leverage. If you want to place a short trade, I will advise you use between 2x and 5x, between 2x and 5x, depending on your capital. So position your x, and then if you want to enter a limit order, that's when you put limit. But if you want to enter at the current market price, you click on market. Okay, and when it gets to this value, okay, as I always tell you, make sure you calculate 5% of your overall capital you have in your account. And how do you calculate that? Divide your capital by 100. Let's say you have $100 in your trading capital. For example, let me get my calculator. Assuming you have $100 in your trading capital, for example, okay, you have to divide 100 divided by 100, and that is 1. Then you multiply by 5. So if you have $100, you have $5 as your 5% for your trading capital. So now, if what you are using as leverage is 5x, for example, so what you need to do next is now to multiply your 5%, which is $5 times 5. So you have $25 for trade. And if you want to use 2x, you multiply by 2 and you have $10 for trade. And if you want to use 3x, you multiply by 3 and you have $15 for trade. If you want to use 4x, you multiply by 4 and you have $20 for trade. So if I want to use 5x, for example, now I have $25, and right here where I was asked to put the value of what I want to use to trade, I will now put $25. So now, having done that, the next thing is to set your TP. As soon as you get your value, you click on the position of TP and stop loss, which is here. So as soon as you do that, then you can insert your TP, and as I always tell you, based on our strategy, we don't usually start a trade with a stop loss except you have been a meaningful profit. Okay, so you will only make use of TP. Put your TP position depending on your analysis, and once you are done doing that, remember, if you want to short, you are to move from long right here to short. Okay, and if you want to long, you leave it like this and put your TP. So for me, I want to short, so I change it to short, then I put my take profit value. Okay, so I haven't done that, so then you click on confirm, and the next thing you need to do is now to click on sell or short trade, this particular one. So immediately you click on it, then the next thing you confirm, and once you confirm, your trade will be executed successfully, and you are going to now see something like this. Okay, so these are wonderful way for you to take a sell trading decision, making use of combination of gainer coin, okay, gainer coin in combination with your RSI and EMA and MA indicator. I hope you understand this. Okay, if you get this, you will be a consistent profitable trader in this crypto industry. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section, or you reach out to me directly in our close group. Okay, I wish you the very best in your trading journey. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel right now. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Sign out.